Creating a subassembly using the bottom-up design approach. Here I am in an assembly environment, and what I want to do is I want to create a subassembly. A subassembly is separately created of individual parts, and so I want to place that subassembly into this, my main assembly. So this is going to be my main assembly. To do that, I'm going to go out and use the place tool. So I'm going to come over here and choose place and choose place. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose an existing assembly. So this is going to be my subassembly. And so I place it, and now I have a subassembly into my main assembly. I can create very large assemblies by using subassemblies. I can come over here and click on it, and I can show all of my children down here. So my different parts are my different children here, and I can see how they are related from the subassembly to the assembly. So whenever we're creating subassemblies, we do that so when we have a large assembly has many multiple subassemblies, that way we can be very efficient about how we create those subassemblies and make larger assemblies very quickly. So this is creating a subassembly using a bottom-up design approach. We essentially open up an assembly file and we go up and we place the previous assembly files, which will be our subassembly, into our main assembly.